Hey guys, and welcome to How to Guide. In this tutorial, we're gonna look at how to access templates on CapCut. Now let's begin. Right now I'm on the web version of the CapCut, and if you look closely on the left nav bar, you will see something like templates. Let's click on it. And here you can see lots of templates available here. There are video templates and image templates. Or you can also search for your templates from right here, type whatever you wish and simply hit on enter. But in case you've created a new project and you want to insert a template on your project, here's what to do. On the left hand side, you will see something like templates once again. Below media, let's click on it. And there you see, here are lots of templates available here. You can also search for templates. And once the templates have loaded, let's simply click and drag it to the timeline. And when you hover over the template, you can see the edit template button. Simply click on it. And there you have it. That's how you edit templates and access templates on CapCut. Hope you guys found this video useful, and for more content like this, do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Thank you.